Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. Excuse me. Down the right hand side here, you'll see my commissions $186.40. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how with the mega link, which is the offer I've been promoting, it's just one link where you can earn up to 7 income streams. The link in the description will give you access to this free video tour here. This gentleman here is called Crowe. He's the owner and creator of the mega link and OLSP system, and he gives you a free video tour here. It lasts about 10 minutes, but he gives you a good overview of exactly what the mega link is and how you can earn up to 7 income streams promoting this product. So I'll take you inside the members area. I'm going to show you a bit later on exactly step by step how this system works. First of all, I'll show you some proof of the multiple income streams. So I'm live here in my commissions, just blurring out members' information for privacy. 3 pages here of commissions, so we'll go right back to the beginning of the journey. Just bear with me, the internet's loading a bit slow today. Beginning of the journey was December the 6th, and this first mega link commission, 100% commission you get with this for $7, and there's no monthly membership cost, so that's a great thing about it. Now you'll also see here is there's a commission for $10.80. This is another income stream called a product called Mega Messenger. That was a one-time special offer. Go to the next page, and on this page here you'll see we've got lots more mega links, but we've also got another Mega Messenger at $10.80. And then we've also got a product called List Building and Magic Link. And I'm going to do other videos on these other products, other reviews on these other products as well. So now we're up to date here, but you'll see here we've got list building, magic link here, list building and magic link here. So the list building and magic link is converting very well. That also gives you that 100% $7 commission, and back to that total balance that I showed you originally of $186.40. So let's just have a look now at the inside the members area. A couple of things I'd like to draw your attention to. So Crowe really excels and specializes in training and support and traffic training, which is the key to success with affiliate marketing. So when you first join the mega link, there's 2 superb trainings here that you see. It says free and free. Wayne has made 10 million in commissions. He's been online 15 years. You can access that product there. That's a free training there. So I recommend when you join, you come and watch these 2 free trainings. The 100 commission hack, another superb training. You access that by just clicking that link there. Other products, Facebook organic training, etc. So I recommend you watch those. He does weekly live trainings, he does the Q&As, he's live in the Facebook group. But let me show you now exactly how simple this system is to promote and earn commissions. So this is part of the mega link training you're going to get. It's a bit blurred at the moment, just my internet's not loading very well, but I want to show you how simple, nothing hard, nothing technical about this offer. So let's just move this out of here. So if you can see here, Wayne's drawn a line down here during this training. And all you've got to be concerned with as a member is just everything, which is these two boxes here to the left of this line. That's it. That's all you've got to be concerned with. Is your mega link. It says mega link there. It's a bit blurred, but your mega link is in the top right hand corner here. So that's your link, just one link to promote. And this box here says people/traffic. So he's going to train you in the members area, complete done for you system, 100% done for you system. He's going to train you how to get traffic to your mega link. That's the only thing you've got to do. You've only got to do one thing, and that's get traffic. And he's going to train you on how to do that with free traffic, with cheap traffic, and with paid traffic. Now, everything to the right-hand side of this line, everything over here is what he's built for you. He's built for you a complete 100% done for you system and funnel. But you don't have to worry about this because he's built it all for you. So what you do is, I'll show you the squeeze page. He even gives you a lead capture page. So this is the only one that I've ever promoted. So he gives you this lead capture page. Your prospects put their email into there. And then what he does, he then sends out emails. They go onto your email list, but you don't even need an autoresponder. There's no monthly autoresponder cost with the mega link. He then sends out emails on autopilot for you, and this is the emails he sends out on autopilot for you, and each of those emails has got your affiliate link in there. Your affiliate link. Now, if anybody buys a product, he will send those emails out for life, customer for life. So if anybody decides to buy any of these offers that are in the emails, you will earn a commission. Now, these offers are his own products, so the products are superb that he's promoting for you, and they range from low ticket to medium ticket to monthly recurring commissions and even high ticket. He promotes them for you, and then if anybody buys, you earn commissions on the end of the funnel here. So very, the value is absolutely superb. All you do is pay a one-time $7 payment, no monthly membership costs. I've never seen anything with such good value. Now, it gets even better because he's created a Facebook group. So he's here to help, support, and train a community of people who want to succeed online. Now, within the Facebook group, there's 142,000 members. So you're going to get all the help, the support, the training. There's a lot of brand new people making the first dollar online within this group, getting into profit within this group. There's a lot of people at different levels, lots of affiliate marketers. And Wayne Crowe, the owner, is very, very active within this group as well. So that just sort of gives you a brief overview today. There's a lot more to the system that you're going to get, but I haven't got time to go into that today. And just want to go through an income disclaimer. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. We've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System, and also an equal opportunity to promote it as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and there's now over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP, please put those in the comments below, and they'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description as well if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So I recommend you just click the link in the description and come and watch this free video tour here. Come and meet Wayne Crowe. He's here to help everybody succeed online and everybody get into profit and start to earn money online. And that's his goal, and he's doing a fantastic job in the process. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.